Hi everyone, welcome back to the Tech Tips. If you're new here, I share simple and easy to follow tech tutorials. So let's get started. Today our task is to open Wondershare Filmora project. So before you open it, you'll see the aspect ratio here. You can choose horizontal, you can choose vertical, and there are a couple of other options. Let's select Instagram and stuff like that. We'll choose the horizontal one, this one for YouTube to show the video. Then click the new project. Once you click the new project, you'll be presented with this view. So here, this is your project. You haven't saved the name yet. The resolution is set and the frame rate. If you want to change the resolution or edit projects, go to the file and then go to project settings. You can still change the aspect ratio, resolution, like frame rate. Let's say like you want to use 30 frames per second, colors, space, sample rate, and other, and you can save it as default. We're just going to click OK. Okay. So before we save it, we need to make sure we fix the resolution. Then after that, you can go to the file and then click Save Project As. We'll just save the project here just for the sake of this video. Click Save. Instead of untitled, you can select title. Like just a random name you're using. Okay. After that, your task is to start importing the media. You can click here. After you click that, you'll be able to select the folders and like get the images and videos and audio files. If you have multiple, you can just drag and drop and then select it here this way. Okay, so I have started importing them, and then it says like whether I want a proxy file or not. Proxy files makes life easier. So if you don't have a strong PC and if you want to make easy editing, you use the proxy file. You click the yes. But in my case, I'm just going to click no. So after this, you can just start editing your video. Like you can start editing the media files on the timeline. Like I just added one. You can add more, you can add images and stuff like that, and you can start editing. So this is how you open a project file on Filmora. If this helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple Filmora tutorials. See you on the next one.